Hello and welcome to Roosted Healthcare. In this video, I'll guide you through our new feature called Audit Trails for Events. This tool allows you to track exactly what changes were made, when they occurred, and by whom within any of your facilities. You can see who made changes, when they were made, and even leave comments. It's a powerful way for admins to gain insights into the history of event modifications and the reasoning behind them. To get started, click on any event in the calendar view. You'll see an option labeled Check Out New View. This upcoming view is designed to provide more detailed information. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can add job details. On the right-hand side, you'll find a new section called Audit Trails. Clicking on this will load the log, where you can see all the actions performed on this job. You'll be able to pinpoint which admin made specific changes and when they were made. There's also a comments section where you can view or add notes regarding the actions taken. This feature helps admins document the reasons behind modifications for future reference. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.